Alright, do you made 2 videos? We sure did. Alright, here's the first one.
That's him! Yeah, that's him, alright. Mr. Bowman, you're under arrest for the murders of some people.
Crap.
What is happening? What is happening? There is no way that my wonderful husband harmed anyone. People will do crazy things for money. That means that they'll be expensive. Well, I think it's very expensive to me of socks and violins. Well, violins don't come in expensive. They come in cheap. Look at my snazzy little knife. Prepare to get murdered. In the dark. No! 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 No!
And?
Whoops! I sort of spelled it wrong. The end part.
Well, that was the worst short film I have ever seen in DLR's world so far.
Sorry.
And now, here is the other one.
Monica! You cannot die! You cannot die for me, girl! Monica! Do you hear me? Monica!
That movie is fantastic. I know, we did great.
I don't know what happened. You're a killer. Yeah, say that you're a killer. I loved her, but you're a killer. I loved her. Well, I do believe that, Jason was the killer. Yes, he is. Where did you come from? Well, I was checking to see what you're doing. No, what are you going to do to us? No, I know that evil look on your face. You're the... Oh, Monica, you are my best frenemy. But it was our last.
Well, that was the best short film I have ever seen in DLR's world so far.
Sorry.
We have 2 videos that are good and bad. One, this film that we played. And 2, the other one. Yeah, totally.
Yeah, it was bad. It was.
Oh yeah, it was so bad. Well, I better get resting. Yeah, you go back to your resting. And you, baby Care Bear, are gonna have your nap.
Okay. While I say the pledge, I pledge allegiance to the flag of some states of America.
I'm gonna tuck you in very tight.
And to the republic which understands with God and liberty. I'm dead meat.